Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Looks like we are going to be pushing towards that 45K level on Bitcoin. It had a major pop right now. Super happy about that. And I think in 11 minutes, it's going to be closing a violent close on the combo Stoke and RMACD. If you're a Patreon member, obviously you know what this is. It usually indicates an extremely violent move to the upside, which is what's happening now. But magic number has been the original magic number, which is the relative high here of 42 something, has been broken. I think the next stop right now is magic number right now is what, 45432. What is this? 45426.45. 45426.45. 45426.45. 45426. There we go. So as soon as this, let me see if it's created. There you go. As soon as that relative high gets broken, I 100% think we're going to 48,000 bucks. I'll be completely honest. And again, this has been me still being completely bullish on Bitcoin. I never stopped being bullish. I was even more bullish. I think a couple of, I think like last week or something. Oh crap! Actually, never mind. 45.8. Oh, this one. Magic number is actually here. 45.8. 45.855. We'll put another alert right there now that we're here. 45.855. 45.855. Done. Great. There you go. Two alerts set up. So two relative highs that we have to pass through. Yeah, after those get broken, I think we're going to 48K. I can almost guarantee it. I do not think that we're going to triple top here. I do think that we're going to keep pushing towards that 48,164 level. Again, I've been bullish for I don't know how long now. I'm thinking that we still keep rallying to the upside. There's no reason for me to think that we're not. I told you guys in my last BTC video how I was saying, yep, I'm calling the bull run. I'm calling it. This was back here, right? Or sorry, not like somewhere right here, right? Where I basically released the video at 41.4 or something. But I've been bullish ever since we closed this bull candle at 42,497. So again, after here, we did come all the way back down close to 34K. And then we completely ran it up. So as of right now, if we would have taken that trade on the what is it called? If we would have taken that trade on the week of that reverse MACD being triggered, we would have been in profit by like $2,000 right now, which is amazing. But I think we're here. I think this is our setup right now. I think we are on the second candle right here, and I think we're going to keep pushing towards the upside. And again, forecast right now is somewhere like in April 11th, like somewhere mid-April, somewhere late April, for us to actually see maybe something close to like a 57K, 69K. And I think that right now my target for Bitcoin is going to be somewhere in the highs of maybe somewhere above 70K, definitely. So somewhere between 72K and 84K. After we close a month bullish, which it does seem very, very likely maybe in another month or two, I think that's extra confirmation that we're going to keep going into a 13-month rally. So right now, it's not really about, I'm not even going to mention too much about TA. It's more about you don't really need too much TA right now. I think we're going to at least 48K, to be honest. So maybe possibly even to like 50-ish K right now. I think that's where my target would be. Somewhere around like, somewhere to match this trend, right? Somewhere to touch this trend right here, wherever we are. So today, the max that it can run to is probably 50K, 50,369 before hitting resistance. If it's in April 7th, max that we can probably hit is like 53,000 before hitting some sort of resistance on trend. So that's what I'm basing this off. Like I said, I think we're perfectly set up to be in the bull side, and I've been bullish for quite a bit now. Right now, I don't think, I'm not really trading Bitcoin. It's more of just accumulation, and I've been doing nothing but accumulation for the last month or so. But yeah, this is just extra confirmation that, we're still looking like we're going to keep pushing super hard to the upside, right? So again, all I'm waiting for right now is the next steps for Bitcoin right now is to kill these two relative highs. Relative high of 45,426 relative high of 45,855. After those get broken, I think we'll see 48K, if not a lot higher than that. You will see a lot of resistance at 48K, a lot of resistance at 52K, and you'll probably see a lot of resistance at 57K. After that, if we do manage to break 57, 365.90, like around this level, and break to the upside, I do not think 60K will be a major point of resistance. I do not think, obviously 69K will probably be a major point of resistance because, it was previous all-time high, but I think that's going to get broken, right? I think that's going to get broken right now. So this isn't really a post about TA. It's more of just a continuation. I think Bitcoin's going to keep rallying. I think all of crypto is going to keep rallying. I can guarantee you Ethereum probably has a bigger push right now. There you go, right? Ethereum has a bigger push. And I think that today we'll actually see 32.75 on ETH, and we'll actually have a $4,000 Ethereum by April 3rd, right? That's my forecast right now. I mean, if we have other ones, let's look at ADA. ADA's still relatively okay on the upside. Right, let's look at Sol. Sol is pushing again too on the daily. But again, these are all alts, so they're not going to push as hard right now as Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's always going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum first, and then you're going to see others push. I mean, for example, Shiba, right? Shiba pushing as well. You guys can see that I just had a nice little like candle to the upside. Where's ApeCoin at? I know ApeCoin is at like 13K still, somewhere around that level. ApeCoin pushing as well. ApeCoin pushing. It's breaking that previous resistance here at like 13.39 or something, right? And I think one that I actually saw push a lot earlier today was, I think, Anchor. Anchor is actually pushing pretty well. Anchor pushing. It's at 82 or 8 cents, whatever. But yeah, this is just further confirmation that we're going to keep pushing to the upside. And I think as of right now, we are headed back to 45K, possibly today or this weekend. And in 4 minutes, we're going to be closing that 4-hour violent close. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.